In this video, you will learn about invitations and offers. As learned earlier, use the phrase, would you like to or do you want to give an invitation to somebody to go somewhere, do something, or to have something. For example, would you like to go for lunch? Or, do you want an ice cream? Or, would you want to come with us? A more forceful but polite way of inviting someone to do something is to use an imperative. For example, come with us for lunch. Or, you must come with us for ice cream. In these sentences, the speaker is not asking you, but telling you to come for lunch or ice cream. Use you must or you have to when you're not specific about the time. For example, you must watch this movie whenever you have time. Or, you have to watch this movie. In these sentences, the speaker is making a strong suggestion or recommendation to watch a movie. You can also use let us or let's to make a suggestion. Let's is the contracted form of let us. Use let's when you are included in the activity. For example, let's party tonight. This sentence is a suggestion you're making to your friends about having a party together. Or, let's catch up for a movie. This sentence means you're suggesting to go for a movie with your friend. The action word used after let's will always be in its base form, or the action word without to. For example, let's go shopping. Or, let us eat our food. The negative of let's is let's not. For example, let's not argue about this. Or, let's not party tonight. We have work the next day. To respond to suggestions beginning with let's, use yes or let's if you agree, and no or let's not if you do not agree. For example, if someone says let's go shopping, you can respond by saying yes, no, let's go shopping, or let's not go shopping. Now you know how to use imperatives for invitations and suggestions.